25 jet. I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
Welcome back, eSIM Studios. We have a special case review for everybody out there that is viewing this. We have the Nillkin CarboProp case. Now, Nillkin sent over a ton of cases. They sent over a ton of cases for us to review, honest review, and that's what I'm going to do. Nillkin has been subscribed to our channel for a while. I've been subscribed to their channel for a while. I'm going to leave links to not only their channel in the description box below, but also links to where you can purchase this CarboProp case. Very interesting, very, very cool case. High quality, and you can expect nothing else from Nillkin. Quick side note, I've been a Nillkin even before I created this YouTube channel, even before the Nillkin connection between Nillkin and eSIM Studios. I've used Nillkin, purchased with my own money, as I mentioned, before I created this channel for years, dating back to the Nexus line of devices. So we're talking like 10 years. So I've been a fan of their company and their products for numerous years, and it was only right. Y'all know I say it all the time. I get tons and tons and tons of potential sponsorship opportunities, and I say no to 9 out of 10 because I just simply don't feel comfortable in the product that they want me to promote. Nillkin, the absolute complete opposite. I love their products, and I love the company. So let's get into it. Let me show you what I got. So this is, let me present my extra camera here. So check this out. Let me switch views. So here is the Nillkin CarboProp case. So why is it called CarboProp? Interesting name, but it does describe the case very well, right? So here is obviously for the S24 Ultra. I'm going to move this to the side. Here is the box that it could. Now, I've been using, just so you know, reviewing this, we do the very best case reviews on YouTube. Normally on every other channel, if let's say Nillkin sends out a whole bunch of cases to review, they'll do one video and showcase all the cases. Nope, I don't do that here. I use every single case for at least a few days and then review it because I want to give an accurate description of what I like, what I don't like. And there's a lot to like here. So I've been using this for the last few days. As you can tell there, CarboProp case, right? Digital brand for smart and simple life, Nillkin. So you get reliable protection, you get all-around protection, superior sense of touch, open mold with the original device. Make sure you buy the Nillkin cases from reputable Nillkin outlets because they make such a good product. There's a bunch of fakes out there. Don't buy the fakes. Make sure the product has this sticker. This is the sticker of authenticity. I will only link real Nillkin products and only promote real Nillkin products. So be on the lookout. Make sure it's got this sticker. So here's the box it comes in. Pretty basic, pretty simple, right? Now look, it has the magnet. It has the the MagSafe magnet built inside the case, right? So check this out. Now I'm going to review this. I'm going to quickly show you that it wireless charges with this Nillkin wireless charger, and it also works with the Nillkin MagSafe ring pop deal. I'll show that here in just a second. But let's get into this case. What a case. Wow. So it's got camera protection here, right? I believe this is carbon fiber. I believe it's real carbon fiber. Let's see. Is it aramid fiber or carbon fiber? Let's see here. I believe it's carbon fiber. I saw something in here. Maybe it was on their website where it's real carbon fiber. So you get superior protection. This is what they make the Formula One cars out of. So you get to rock that on your S24 Ultra on this case. So what you get here, you can tell, I should have cleaned it off before I started, but as you can tell, I've been using it. So Love this case. Now, you do get some it's a rigid case. It doesn't flex a lot, but that's good. It flexes just enough. Now, if you get a case that literally does not flex at all, you know just what a pain in the butt it is to take your phone out, put your phone in. This is rigid and stiff. However, it's just flexible enough so it makes your phone going in and out fairly good, right? Pretty easy. No hassle there. So you get carbon fiber here on the back, here on the inside. There's your MagSafe ring. And then you get like a TPU type of material all along this border here. Now, this is key. Look at this. This is key. Let's go over the cutouts real quick. You got the 2 microphones up top. You got your power, volume down, volume up, grips. This is key. I love these grips. They're more pronounced. They're more visible. They're more grippable than many other cases you'll find with grips on the side. You have a lanyard cut out here for a lanyard. And then over here on the left side of the case, you have more grips. That's a good view right there. Now look at this. This is what I love about Nillkin, right? So not only do the grips help, trust me. Now, this is not slippery by any means, but it is smooth, right? It is smooth. It's not slippery. It is a smooth finish. The carbon fiber is, there's some carbon fiber, you can actually feel the threads. Well, this is actually smoothed out, right? So it's not slippery, but it is nice and smooth. Very nice to the touch. Very smooth. But these side grips come in so handy. That's one thing I was noticing carrying this around the last few days. These grips, this thing is not coming out of your hand. It's nice and smooth, but it is not coming out of your hand. Check this out. Nice big cutout. Look at that huge cutout for the S Pen. That's awesome. And cut out for your speakers, and then cut out for your USB Type-C and the mic right there. But look at this. Look how they add extra material on all 4 corners. You see that right up here? So it is a rather thin case, but it's very protective. So if you want thin, protective case, this is it. And look at this. Look at these bottom corners. See that right there? Inside, you get your MagSafe. You get your carbon fiber look and feel right there. Does this have air pockets? Yes, this does have air pockets. I don't know if you can, you can tell kind of, and trying to get it in the right light. If it's hard to tell because this case is black, there is air pockets on the inside of the case on all 4 corners, and it has extra protection. You might be able to see it right down here. So you have air pockets in all 4 corners, but then you have extra material on the outside on all 4 corners, which gives superior drop protection because the air cushion serves as like an airbag in your car. When you have, knock on wood, God forbid, get into an accident, your airbags explode, make it a nice soft landing, sort of. Same kind of theory with a case. And then you have extra material up top to absorb that impact as well. And then you have the rigid frame, which prevents the phone from flexing when it hits the ground. That is what actually breaks the glass on the front and or back of your device, is the flexing of the device ever so slightly. It just takes a little bit and the glass is snapped. So you get the cushion for the air pocket, you get the cushion with the air pockets in the extra material up top for the drop on impact, but then you have the rigid stiffness to prevent the phone from flexing, so the display will not break. So there's science that goes into this, trust me. There's a lot more that goes into it than you think. So we'll put the phone on here in just a second, but look at this. Camera protection. So there's two little ways of opening it. When I first got this case, I was having trouble opening it, and I was like, I know there's got to be a trick to this, and this is why I like to use these cases before I do a review, right? This is a perfect example. So when you want to open this, right, first thing, I kept on trying to open it here, and I'm like, man, what the heck is going on? I can't, I was like, man, I cannot open this thing. I don't know what's going on. And then a few hours after trying to mess with it, or a few hours into using this case, it dawned on me. I was looking at my phone when it was laying down on the table, and I was like, what is that? And I picked it up. There's grooves. Maybe hard to tell in the light here. There's grooves. So look, there's a place for your fingernail in this corner underneath this border. See that border? Underneath this corner and underneath this corner, there's a little cutout so you can get your fingernail up and under there, and easy access. So it's hard to do it from the side. Don't do it from the side. Do it from the corners, from these two corners. Watch. See how easy that is? See how easy that is? And it goes and it snaps back into place, which I love. So it's got like a tiny magnet in there that snaps it into place. See? Fingernail. These two corners. Easy. So let's put the phone in and check it out. I typically put the two sides in first. Right side, you can do it how you want to. I'm just telling you how to do it. I put the right side in first, and then I snap in the left side. Beautiful case. Now, let's look at the cutouts. Perfect. Look how big that S Pen cutout is. Perfect. Easy access. Look at this screen. It does give you drop protection, screen protection. I do not have a screen protector on this phone. As you can tell, the lip comes up and over the screen. So if you drop it, look over here on the right, on the top, ever so slightly, right? Just enough to protect your screen, but not enough to make this a bulky. This is not a bulky case. There's a good view right there. So I like it how it's a little bit, it's barely over the side, so you can grip your phone in ease of use when it's in your palm like this. I don't like cases that are really tall over the screen on the side, but I do need it taller on the top and bottom, and this case provides that. Because if it's taller on the sides, it makes it hard to make selections, right? This is a big phone. That's a good view right there to get you an overview of the display protection, right? There's the bottom. And then, what do you know? And look at that, it comes up and over the sensors. So you can leave it open if you want to, or you can close it. It takes a while to get used to, because I was taking pictures, I needed to use the flashlight, and I was like, wait a second, it's all black. And I was like, oh duh, I have to flip this open. So it comes up and over, so even if you're taking pictures and you drop your phone, it's going to protect these sensors, right? It's not exposed when it's open, it's completely covered and protected. So very nice case. Watch this. Boop, just like that. Now, is there any negatives, right? I just Nillkin gave me these, or gave eSIM Studios these cases for free to review, right? And I don't want to sit here and just say, oh my god, I love it. I do love it, but I'm fair and honest, right? So if is there one downside to this case? Potentially. Now, it's not really a downside, it's personal preference. It does add a little weight to the phone. So this S24 Ultra is already a huge phone, and it's on the heavier side, right? It's one of the heavier phones on the market. So this case does add a little extra weight. Now, it's not to the point where it's annoying or it bugs you, but just remember, it does have metal in here, and it does have metal in the ring, which metal obviously weighs more than carbon fiber. It's probably why they chose carbon fiber, because carbon fiber is very strong, very light. So they probably used carbon fiber to offset the weight. I don't know, I'm just guessing. But it does add, I don't have a scale here. I I may have to get one actually for the channel to weigh these, but it is on the case. It is on the little on the heavy side, but just remember, you're protecting your phone, and it is thin, so it's not like you got a ginormous case, a brick in your pocket protecting your phone. No, it's just very. But look, it gives you the idea that it's very well put together, sturdy construction. Right, this is going to protect your phone, honestly. But let's try this out. So here's the ring. Just like that. Not going anywhere. And this is cool because look, it has a grip right there, nice soft landing. So when you push it in all the way and you want to use it, boom, just like that. Now, what if you want to charge it, right? Let's try that out. So here's their charger. I'm going to do an independent review of this, but just to show you it works. Gonna plug it in. See, it's charging. So fast wireless charging, yes. So as you can tell, it works. So it works MagSafe. It'll work with any MagSafe accessories you have, whether it's in your car, home, office, anywhere. It's got a MagSafe ring built into the case, and it's very well built because this is a very thin case. So putting a MagSafe ring in here is an engineering marvel. So very beautiful case. This is the Nillkin CarboProp case. I'll put links in the video description for this. And you're gonna love this if you like quality. And I'm not wild about these camera sliders or protectors, but you know what, this one's cool. It's metal, it's made of metal, and it's a very cool design, and it looks awesome, and you're gonna be completely protected when you're not using the cameras or the flashlight. So phenomenal product. I recommend it 1000%. Anybody that wants a thin protective case, this is it. Look no further. eSIM Studios, Nillkin, peace out.